A well-placed light in your home can make a dramatic difference. It can truly elevate a space, like your stairwells or your kitchen countertops. And many of these spaces don't have easy access to electricity, so unless you're up for hiring an electrician and going all the way, getting battery-powered LED lights is a brilliant option. Now this video is sponsored. I was sent this product for review, so let's unbox it and see how great it is. And let's start with the light itself. It has a motion detector, so you can have it turn on when it sees motion, or you can have it always on, or of course, as it is now, always off. And all of those are with a switch on the end, so then you can turn it on. And here is the light that you can hold either way and control where it is lighting up. So if it's too much directly, you can certainly have it as a backlight. And then you can also switch it to auto. And in auto mode, if it is low light situations or nighttime, it will automatically turn off in 25 seconds if it doesn't detect motion. And on the side of it, it has a very clear battery indicator giving you 25% increments of where the battery's at, so you always know when these need a charge. And the charger base is brilliant, as you can charge all three at once. So here they all are, charging at once. The base itself has a light, and all of them will have lights on the top showing you where they are in their charge. And then you have a couple options on how to hang these. The first one's really simple. You can just hang them on a hook wherever you need them to be. And then the other option is you have this magnetic holder that you can put whichever way you want, and it really does just click right on. And this is great because it means it's really easy to take this off and put it right back where you want. And to attach this piece, you do get the hardware, so you can screw it in if you really want it to stick. But I am confident that using the two-sided 3M tape that comes with it will work perfectly well also. Now here's my kitchen countertop with the light off, and now it's on. And I've put it in this closet in motion detector mode, so when I open the closet door, it'll automatically turn on, which is really useful. And while I haven't put it to the test yet, these claim to have excellent battery life. They should last at least 7.5 hours in always on mode, and they can last up to 2 months in motion detection mode when they're only turning on when they see motion. That's wonderful.